Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable right click on MacBook. It could be MacBook Air, MacBook Pro with M4, M3, M2 and M1 chip. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like it and subscribe to Geeker Mag. So let's jump right into the MacBook screen. On your MacBook, click on the Apple icon on the upper right corner and select System Settings. In the System Settings, on the left panel, scroll down, locate and click Trackpad. On the right side, look for the option Secondary Click. By default, it's set to click with two fingers. So when you press two fingers at the same time on Trackpad, it opens the right click menu like this. But I want to open the right click menu by clicking the right side of the trackpad like in the Windows laptops. For that, select the option click in bottom right corner. After doing this, if you click on the bottom right corner of the trackpad, right click menu will open. Just like that, now you can easily open the right click menu if you have recently switched from Windows to Mac. So you learn how easy it is to enable and make right click on the Mac. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.